Sound of a ticking clock. Deep, resonant voiceover begins. Every second that passes is a second you'll never get back. Tarankan. How many of those seconds did you waste believing you were a loser? Quick flashes of a dimly lit room, old bills piling up, a frustrated face staring at an empty bank account. How many nights did you stay awake, haunted by the voice in your head that whispered, "You're not enough, you'll never make it"? But what if I told you that voice was lying? Show clips of people scrolling mindlessly, regretting wasted time, missing out on opportunities. Every regret, every failure, every moment you let slip away, it's a scar, a reminder of who you used to be. But scars don't define you, they shape you. Cut to someone flipping through an old, worn-out notebook labeled Dreams. You once had a vision, a fire inside you, and then, life happened. You let the world tell you what you couldn't do. But here's the truth, the only thing stopping you is you. Clock ticking again, scenes of people working hard, making moves, leveling up. Right now, someone out there is turning their life around. Right now, someone is waking up before dawn, putting in the work, stacking their first million. And you, what are you doing? You have two choices. Keep replaying your failures like a broken record, or press stop and rewrite your story. Show someone shredding an old past due notice, a fist clenched in determination. Your past isn't your prison, it's your fuel. Let every rejection, every doubt, every sleepless night drive you. Cut to an empty gym at 4 am, a lone figure running on a treadmill. The struggle is real, but so is the comeback. And your comeback, it starts now. Bright, vivid imagery, success stories, wealth, freedom. Imagine the life you want, the wealth, the power, the freedom. It's not a fantasy, it's waiting for you, but only if you're willing to claim it. Close-up of a hand gripping a pen, writing, "My new life," on a fresh page. What if, 1 year from today, you looked back and said, "That was the moment everything changed"? Final cliffhanger, a call to action. Heartbeat sound fades in. Cut to black screen. The past is gone. The future is unwritten. So tell me, what will you do with this moment?